Hello, all the students of Singapore. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give you quality time in study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework. And please, whenever you are going to watch my video, okay, carry, keep a book and copy both with both. Okay, it will help you a lot. So today I will upload chapter 5 very short answer question. Okay, in PDF file on the school website. What you have to do, you have to go just on the school website and you have to download that chapter 5 stand up for very short answer question and you have to do it in your homework copy, and whenever the school will be open I will check that homework. So chapter 8 circulatory system and expiratory system is going on. Circulatory, chapter name is system and expiratory system. So here I was teaching you about circulatory system. Okay, in circulatory system, okay, it consists of three main parts: heart, blood, and blood vessels. I am talking about circulatory system. So about heart, I have already taught you that heart is a muscular organ. It pumps blood throughout all of the parts of the body, and it is located in the chest, slightly to the left part, center of the left. Okay, and the movement of pumping movement of blood when heart pumps blood and there is a movement, that movement is known as heartbeat. So today I am going to its second part, that is blood. So blood is a substance that is pumped by heart through blood vessels to circulate different substances within the body, because blood carries important nutrients, waters, mineral. It carries waste product also. Blood carries waste product also, such as urine and carbon dioxide. Blood carries important substances also, such as nutrients, oxygen, water, important minerals, and not minerals, substances, nutrients, and it removes, blood also removes the waste product such as urine and carbon dioxide. So blood is pumped by the heart. When heart pump, blood circulation is going on. So that's why we say blood is a substance. Blood is a substance that is pumped by heart through blood vessels to circulates, okay, vessel, and it circulates different substances within the body. It circulates different substances within the body. It carries substances such as substances such as oxygen and nutrients, oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. It all started from the digestive system. When we eat food from our mouth, when that food is chewed by mouth, which is mixed with the saliva, when it enters to our food pipe, okay, in the stomach what it secretes some juice. So stomach provides some juices, and that with that which is all foods again further break down and it changes into nutrients and some waste product. So that nutrient, that food is absorbed by our blood. Important, whatever the food, when it's broken down, that food changes into nutrient. So that nutrients is absorbed by blood, and whatever the waste product are there, that is moved by small intestine through anus. So whatever food which is changed into intestine, so there the work of blood comes, where that bloods have to circulate all nutrients throughout the body. Okay, so that works comes to the. Now it also carries carbon dioxide and other waste to those parts where they can be removed from the body. I have already told you that it also removes wastage such as urine and what? Carbon dioxide. So this is about our blood. Now we'll move to blood vessels. Okay. So blood I have explained. Now I am going to blood vessels. So see, blood vessels. So blood vessels are thin tubes that form a network within the body. Okay, I am just showing you. Okay, here small tubes are there. Again, from here, some arteries is connected. Okay, some structure is connected here. Okay, and here. So blood vessels are thin tubes that form a network within the body. So it is a thin tube. Okay, here it is tube is there, and this is known as veins. This is known as capillary network, and this is known as artery. ARTERY. So it is a network within the body to transport blood to different parts of the body. These are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. So arteries, blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Okay, it carries blood to the different part of the body. Our veins, blood vessels that carry blood from different parts of the body to the heart. Okay, so capillary, so veins, it carries also blood from the different part of the body, okay, to the heart. And these arteries carry blood from different parts of the body, that is known as arteries. Next, last, capillaries are there. So tiny blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. This capillary, okay, that connect arteries and veins. Okay, so till blood vessels I am stopping. In next class I will go for excretory system. Circulatory system is over. In next class I will go for excretory system. So for now, goodbye to all of you.